For tonight's dinner, let's make a duck confit. I like to marinate them in a pot, so we get one less dish to wash. The number of the legs depends to the size of the pot. We want the legs to just cover the bottom of the pot. Then we prepare the marinade. 1.5 tablespoons of kosher salt, a tablespoon of black pepper, optionally some chili peppers or garlic cloves, 4 slices of ginger, some thyme or rosemary. Then we crush them like this. Then we apply it to the surface of the ducks. I have been making this dish at least 1 time a week for a couple of months. Now every duck in the US is scared of me. Now we cover it up and leave it in the fridge overnight.
So what are we eating tonight? Damn!
10 hours later, we take out the ducks, rinse off the salt and the spices on the surface. Then we need a pair of scissors to cut off the extra fat from the duck legs. Layer the fat on the bottom of the pot, then place the duck legs on the fat with the skin side facing down. Cover and bake it at 250 degrees for 2 hours. Traditionally, we will use a large amount of duck fat to immerse the duck legs, but with this simplified method, we can use the duck fat comes from the duck legs to cook themselves. Flip them over and bake for 1.5 hours. It took so long, so I want to cut my hair in the middle. Do you like my new haircut? Thank you! After 3.5 hours of baking, the duck legs are super tender and juicy. Before serving, we can pan fry both sides for 3 minutes until they are golden and crispy. Here, this bite is for you. Oops, never mind. You just need to try this recipe once. You will come back to make it again and again. Thank me later. That's mine!